In today's video, we're going to spook up our house with these Halloween decorations. These files are readily available on the OMTech website, so once you have them downloaded, this video is going to be your step-by-step process on how to put them together. So first things first, we're going to load up the machine with some wood. I'm using 3mm Baltic birch here. Once you have that loaded, go ahead and open up Lightburn and open the file that you downloaded from the OMTech website. You should see something like this right here. So now that it's all loaded up and your material's there, we're just going to arrange it to fit onto our substrate. These are 12 by 12 inch boards, so I'm just going to pack it as tight as I can with some of the designs here. And then after it's all organized and laid out properly, I'm going to go ahead and send it down to the laser and get ready for cutting. And now that the machine is all done running, we're going to go ahead and collect these pieces off the bed here, and we're going to lay them out so that we can start the painting process. So I'm going to get these laid out and ready for painting. For the bulk of these designs, I'm going to use black, but feel free to use whatever color you want. Now most of them are black, but there are a couple pieces here that are going to be different colors. Again, you could use whatever you want. For these two ghosts though, I'm feeling white, so I'm just going to spray these guys down white. So next up is going to be the two pumpkins that come with the file pack. I'm going to go ahead and spray paint these orange. And once they're all spray painted, I'm going to go ahead and let these set to dry. And once dry, I'll flip them over and do the other side as well. So now that everything is dry, you can begin decorating. Well, that just about wraps up the video here. Hopefully you enjoy this Halloween pack, and hopefully that it spooks up your house in the right way. If you have any questions or concerns, let us know down below in the comments. Please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And happy Halloween!